In this tutorial, we are going to look into the process of importing CAD geometries into CFD-post and post-process our solution along with the CAD geometry. This geometry has three parts: a mixture body, a drum in the middle which is perforated, and a base plate which is named as the lock. The system has three boundaries. One is this large inlet, the smaller one is inlet number 2, and the last one is an outlet. In Space Claim, you have the option of exporting part of the geometry as an STL file. You want to export it as an ASCII format file. The solution for this problem is already computed. As indicated previously, we have two inlets and one outlet. The inlet 1 has a temperature of 300 Kelvin and velocity of 0.05 meters per second. Inlet number 2 has a temperature of 450 Kelvin and a velocity magnitude of 0.5 meters per second. And the outlet is set up at 0 gauge pressure. We can now look at the temperature profile at different locations. First of all, we are going to plot a contour at a cross section. You can see how the temperature changes as the flow moves downstream. We are using 3 different planes. We can also add a path line. We'll be using velocity 2. And we can see how the flow path lines go from the inlet all the way up to the outlet, and we are coloring the path line using the temperature of the system. We can also create scenes to post-process multiple surfaces together. Like in this case, we are post-processing the velocity contours and the path lines together. We can change the transparency of different sections, and we can also add this body surfaces. In this case, I'm going to use the walls. So these are the inner walls. Change their transparency, and now we can post-process 3 surfaces together, export the final solution file, and import it in CFD-post. Also import the post-processing surfaces that you have created. Once all the post-processing surfaces have been imported, you can change the rendering of these surfaces. You can apply different texture. Now we can add different post-processing details to it. At this point, we will add streamlines. We will use velocity 2 as the seed surface, and then we will add contours of temperature. And that is how we can post-process the data along with the CAD geometry. Thank you for your time.